Like if you just want something quick and you're desperate, this is the way to go. Truly have not seen a hack that was as good as this. Like if I'm just standing right here, you can't tell. So this is what she's looking like inside the box, you guys. It's a 13 by 6 natural density, okay. It has all kinds of different colors here. I was like stressing earlier. Oh, okay. So initially running my hands through her right out of the box, she is not tangled at all. And she has them layers that y'all see here. She has some layers going on. Okay, this is the lace. It's looking very natural. I'm gonna blow dry my hair and put a wig cap on, and we're gonna see what this is looking like. Whew. All right, y'all, I cannot wait to restart on my hair and just go natural and take care of it. I'm feeling a little tired today. Like, I don't know, I feel like when I don't do a good PM routine, I just feel a little off. Y'all, yeah, that's just that on that. Okay, so now I really do want my hair just to be like productless. Like I don't want any product in it. You know, it's just one of those weeks, y'all. And honestly, I haven't been working out, and that's annoying me. But alas, everything will be all right. So I got this hair pack from Temu. It came with these stocking rubber bands, these silky scrunchies, these hair tools, 2 black rubber bands, and some regular hair ties in different colors. I'm just gonna put all my hair back into a pony. Small pony. The smallest bun I could ever dream of, okay? So let's put her on just like without cutting the lace, just straight out the bag and see what it's looking like. Okay, let's see. Oh yes, she is very HD, okay? Let's see. Oh yeah, it's gonna be cute. Okay, let me just cut the lace. All right, so I've cut the lace. She's looking more natural already. I've seen some girls like put the hair back, like just like not all the way on their hairline, and they do like their own edges and kind of just have the hair doing its own thing. She kind of like pulled her hair out. Put this shit on. She took the front of her hair out. And like, see, it's just like the wig cap being right there kind of ruins the illusion. So I'm like kind of trying to push it back. Honestly. I have the band on so it feels less, like it feels more secure, because like when the band wasn't on, I was like, ooh, ciao. Okay, so anyway, yeah, she took the front of her hair and kind of just like, and I'm gonna do it with, so I'm gonna take this brown color right here and I'm gonna tint the lace to match my hair color. That is what she decided to do. And honestly, y'all, I'm just going to work. I'm really not. Okay, but this lace is good though. Okay, so maybe, and then like basically you want to combine the part with the hair you have in the front. And what I'm gonna do is color that lace with some LA Girl Pro Concealer. Oop, do not fall. For some reason, that cap about to fall was about to be my 13th reason. Like, please don't. Like, does it look like that's what I need right now? Please. I'm just gonna color the lace with the concealer like that. You'll see that? And just give it like a natural, you know, vibe, like so. So it's looking more natural, right? Bruh, I'm hilarious because I'm really stressing, like, okay. And then basically you like tuck your push. Probably need more hair out. Okay, I think that's enough hair out. Like so, to where it looks natural. Okay, so even this side, I might need a wee bit more hair out. Like even like right here. And the lace more right here. And yeah, y'all, like that, she ate. She ate. She did. She said, I don't care, I ate. And she did. She was right not to care because she sure did eat up. Like, this method is crazy. Okay, and I'm just gonna flat comb my hair. Do the same thing up here. Literally just get a flat comb. This is just a quick method. God bless her heart and soul. Because I literally don't know what I was about to do today. Because I just didn't want, like, all kind of gel and product in my hair, y'all. Literally, y'all, this isn't about it looking, like, perfect. I mean, it's like, if people want to be like, is that a wig? Do you want to mind your business? Sometimes I'm like, people just need to mind their business. I'm just a black girl trying to look cute when I go to work, okay? Okay, without stressing away my life, all right? So, like, I'm not the type of person that's like, oh my gosh, like I have a wig, or people gonna know it's a wig. I don't care, okay? Does it look like I care? Because I don't. You know what I'm saying? Does it look like I care? Because I don't. Okay, and then I'm about to just get some water and do my edges real quick. Okay, like this is not bad. Okay, so, and since I have like the wig band on, and I'm not gonna be doing this hella at work because, you know, that's there, but since I have the wig band on, it feels like secure. Okay, I'm just doing a shake test. So she's feeling secure. I am going to, oh, that kind of made me dizzy. I am gonna flat comb this way. A little, yeah, it's like a little less volume at the top. I don't want too much. I know it's synthetic. It's kind of like almost off, to be honest, the flat comb. So, but it's like I don't want it too. I don't want too much volume. You can even, I said, can I? I was gonna say, like, you can even tuck it. It is kind of like, oof. Let's see that lace, baby. Let's see. You do want to, like, be careful. But, I mean, that's if someone's, like, all on the top of your head. I mean, like, from far away. So from far away, we're good. We're good, you know? Like, we're fine. This is a pretty wig, though. Like, this is a really pretty wig. It's one of the prettiest wigs I have owned, honestly. Like, I didn't even have to do anything to it. I feel like I'm ready to go. Like, I'm about to try black. Where is this palette? Like, I'm gonna like tint the lace black because it's still kind of showing. So I'm gonna see what black does that help? Ooh. I feel like that kind of helps. The vibe is me. Okay, I feel like the black helped. Now it's like you have to get super close to see. Like, if you get this close, all right, you can see something is going on. But like, I mean, if they're that close, why are you that close to me? That's how I think about it, y'all. I'm not here to be perfect. I'm not. I'm just here to live and try to like be as cute as possible. Okay. Boom. Bam. Pow. Wham. Okay. That is gonna be that on that. Some girls like cut this into layers because it's like obvi giving wig, but I don't care. Like I will gladly be like, it's a wig. Obviously. You know? I am gonna curl this piece though. Okay, y'all. I mean, this is pretty much it. Like, if you don't care about it kind of looking like a wig a little bit, and honestly, maybe you could do it better than me. I don't know. But like, if you just want something quick and you're desperate, this is the way to go. I truly have not seen a hack that was as good as this until like recently. And y'all, I mean, you can, like, you gotta get really close. Like, you have to get, like, if I'm just standing right here, you can't tell. If I turn it aside, you might be like, oh, it's a wig, but then you're gonna be like, oh, like, she did a little trick. And it's like, yeah. Yep. So, you know, that's that on that. I love this wig. I don't care that people think it's a wig. I really don't. Or know it's a wig. I obviously, you know what I'm saying? Especially if you know me, like, my hair is literally like this short. So it's like, obviously this is a wig. What I am going to do is link this wig in the description box below. Honestly, y'all, this is just going to be the end of the video. Because I just feel like a natural face with this wig very much so eats. And this girl right here really, she really ate with this. So with that being said, thank you so much for listening, watching, and existing. I'm Ariel. Until we meet again. Bye.